restoration. Here we have an Aston Martin DB6 steering wheel, and superficially it looks in quite reasonable order, but it's got a crack here in the aluminium spoke where it meets these countersunk screws. Wasn't really a good idea countersinking these screws in the first place, and they crack out from the screw holes. I suspect this one's already been welded once, as the spokes are a little distorted, and so I've recommended a new steering wheel to the customer rather than risk repairing this. It will crack again. You can see they're made of laminates of hardwood, and it has an oak inlay around the outer edge there and has rivets as finger grips passing through to the face of the wheel. But it's an Aston Martin DB6.